You might find Iwo watches on Aliexpress or Alibaba, but you can't tell the difference? Aliexpress or Alibaba has many Iwo Watch sellers, but you can't find an original Iwo Watch seller? You want to purchase all Iwo watches from a single seller. Still, they are not always able to meet your needs? iwosmartwatch.xx is a professional manufacturer of Iwo watches, providing all series of Iwo watches only for you to offer original Iwo watches. Iwo watches are divided into 3 series according to the price of the products: Iwo 1-to-1 series, Iwo Lite series, and Iwo watchphone series. Why work with us? We provide you with a dropshipping service and you have no stock pressure. 2. We provide you with a distribution service and help you build your iwosmartwatch.xx. 3. We provide you real-time market value information. 4. We make your DIY package box and instructions for you to help you make a difference in product features. 5. We offer you a quick payment from eBank's PayPal. Work with us? Check out WhatsApp plus 861-893-892-9971 or info@iwosmartwatch.com. Contact us. We'll get back to you in 24 hours. Please don't be stingy with your questions, and we can help you answer all the questions.